So I want to dispel some misconceptions or preconceived notions that you might have about hypnosis, hypnotherapy, and specifically self-hypnosis. So, what hypnotherapy isn't is me controlling your mind. There isn't anything that I or anyone else can do to you through hypnosis that you do not want. In fact, hypnosis is an example or an exercise in self-mastery, if the person working with you has done it properly. What I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be helping you instill within your mind and also tap into the deep reservoirs of wisdom within your mind to bring forth new ideas and new beliefs that are going to help strengthen you and give you that positive outlook that you need. So in fact, what I'm doing is I am guiding you with my voice, but you, through my instruction, are actually hypnotizing yourself. That's why it's something that you can learn how to do. And that's why the more you practice it and the more you learn it, the more you can master your mind. So it's an exercise in mindfulness, the same way that the more that people meditate, the more they learn to master their own mind and therefore have control over the way their body reacts to things. When I talk about tapping into that deep reservoir of knowledge, that is a belief and a philosophy that we have within hypnotherapy, which falls within what we call contextual psychology. So the beauty about hypnosis and hypnotherapy is that we don't need to talk about or address any past experiences that you might have. We don't have to dig into the stuff that you would rather leave behind. What we're doing instead is we're meeting you where you are here and now. And that's why it's called contextual psychology. The context in which you find yourself is what we're trying to address. So hypnotherapy meets you where you are and adds ideas, beliefs, or even sometimes even helps to modify and get rid of some limiting beliefs that you might have. So what we're doing is we're actually changing limiting thoughts, changing limiting self-beliefs, and helping to reinforce positive ideas. So what do I mean when I say changing limiting beliefs or limiting thoughts? What we do is we superimpose upon those self-limiting beliefs attitudes and beliefs that actually empower you to realize that yes, you are capable. So what you're doing is you're using hypnotherapy basically within yourself and upon yourself. And the more that you listen to the audio recordings that I'm going to give you over and over, it's like practicing anything. The mind is a muscle. The more you use it, the more you reinforce it, the stronger it becomes. So the more you practice, the more you can actually strengthen your mind, instill within yourself positive beliefs, and come away feeling like you can master a situation which might have otherwise been a little bit intimidating for you. What you're going to do is you're going to instill new ideas to become somewhat of a new you, helping you be able to wrap your head around those approaches and those bumps in the road with a positive mindset and with a resolution and skills to know that things will go well and they can go well if your mind is healthy and strong, can make a huge difference towards anything that you approach with hypnotherapy. So let's recap. Hypnotherapy is not me hypnotizing you, imposing anything upon you. If a person says, I can't be hypnotized, it's because they're not letting themselves go within themselves. And sometimes learning just to be able to let go and to be able to let new ideas in is part of the exercise. This is where the self-mastery comes. What we're doing is we're helping you believe and instill ideas within your mind that will help your experiences be better and happier, and that they will overcome, or that we can even eliminate any limiting beliefs that you might have. So hypnotherapy is actually empowering you. And everything that I do in my practice with my clients and my patients, especially in women's health, is all designed towards empowering women. So I'll bet that this is a new perspective on hypnosis that you had never thought of. Hypnotherapy with me is going to be an empowering experience. That's what hypnotherapy is, and somebody else coming and dominating you is what hypnotherapy is not.